holding the hand of his sister who was lying on hospital bed. While looking in her eyes, he was trying to be strong, but his sister's condition was breaking him from inside. Her whole body was destroyed by a beast, and here she was telling her brother about the betrayal which she got from her boyfriend, who was the son of Jungkook's enemy. Nina, I tried a lot to save myself, Jungkook, but he didn't stop. She was crying in her faith, and Jungkook was getting hurt seeing his sister. Coming out of the room, he stopped, and that's when his friend June approached him. June, we came to know what Alex did to Nina. Don't worry, our guards are finding. He stopped when Jungkook shot him a glare and held his collar, slamming him at the wall while saying he and his father will play, but I will make them pay in my way. Jungkook jerked him back and he said nervously, so what is going inside your mind? Jungkook, have you ever heard about an eye for an eye? June looked at him surprised. On the other hand, Alex was sitting with his father, sipping, having a smirk on his face. Alex, father, I am proud of you, my son. You have proven that why you are capable of becoming the next Mafia king. Alex, I will become the next king after removing Jungkook from my way. It's not hard. After all, I have already broke him by using of his lovely sister. Both laughed. It was their plan to target Jungkook by targeting his sister, Nina. Alex played low love card with Nina, and when she trusted him, so he physically and threw her in the forest. Well, talking about sister, where's Van? Alex father, don't talk about that useless creator, Alex. She is still in Italy, wasting her time on that study. I don't care about her anymore. She is totally useless. Alex, I have feeling that Jungkook will try to harm her first. Alex father, we don't care about her anymore, Alex. It's good if he went after her. We will be safe. Vine didn't had good relationship with her father and brother because they were her step. She decided to leave them and live her life, but she didn't knew that her peaceful life was about to get destroyed. There she was, trying to remove the hand of that guard which was holding, trying to drag her out of the car. Vine was protesting and that guard was struggling. Jeon Jungkook, who kidnapped Vine, was looking at this drama while standing at the entrance. His blood was boiling by looking at Vine, and that's when he took his fast steps towards the car and pushed that guard away. Vine, who was on the back seat, looked at him who stood in front of her. Vine, who are before she could complete, Jungkook picked her up on his shoulder and took her out of the car and started going inside the mansion. Jungkook took her inside the room and threw her on the bed. She was shockingly looking at him and he was glaring at her. His eyes were red, red for the revenge. He wanted to destroy her like her brother destroyed Nina. He was blinded by the revenge and for him, everyone was same right now. Vance stood up from the bed and ran towards the door, but he held her and pushed her again on the bed. She again tried to run, but he had enough, so without thinking twice, he slapped her hard on her face. Her cheek turned red and she looked at him shocked, having tears in her eyes. Jungkook, one more strike and I will chop your legs right here. Why did you kidnap me? She said in her soft voice, and he became angry because he didn't want to listen to her, but he smirked and said, to use you. She felt goosebumps on her body, and he continued, to use you. You are here. Words were not coming out of her mouth. He was shocked and wasn't believing on what she heard. Jungkook started coming close to her and she was crawling back. She tried to stop him, but he was only seeing his enemy in front of him, whom he wanted to destroy. Jungkook, you will feel what she felt that day, same pain and same torture, he said to Wine, who became confused for a second, but looking at that coming towards her, she was getting scared and was praying internally. She crawled back, but Jungkook held her leg and pulled her down. Leaving her unconscious body, he stood up from the bed and started looking at her with his red eyes. His revenge wasn't over, in fact, it was started now. He left her like that on the bed, and he wore his clothes and went outside, locking the door from outside. Sitting on the couch, his own condition was messed up, but not more than one. His shirt buttons were open, hairs were messed, shirt loosened, and he was shrinking, sitting beside the room. He leaned back on the couch, closing his eyes, but then his attention was taken when the door got open and Jin came inside. Jungkook didn't open his eyes. Jin came and sat on the couch. He looked at Jungkook's condition and decided to break the silence. Jin, look, Jungkook, we all know that what happened with Nina was not right, but when Jungkook opened his eyes with a shot and looked at Jin with a glare, Jungkook, no one is allowed to tell me what is good and what is wrong. Nina is my sister, and when it comes to her, I won't listen to anyone. I don't care if Lion was a part of this or not, but one thing is clear that she belongs to that family who destroyed my sister. So stay away from my matter. Jin, we are family, Jungkook. How can you ask me us to stay away from this? Jungkook, then help me destroying Alex and his family, and if you can't, then stay away. Jungkook, their destruction has just begun, and I won't leave any single person of that family, and the start will be her. I did what her brother did to my sister, and I won't stop her. In fact, I will break her every single day, every single minute, and she will beg like my sister, but it won't be easy for her. Jungkook, being done, stood up from the couch and said to Jin while showing his back, tell Alex we have a sister. Let them know that game has begun. Saying that, Jungkook dashed out of the room, leaving Jin behind. Jin looked at him going away and signed in defeat. He came here to stop him because he knew he was blinded by revenge, but then Jin didn't knew that the image to wine was done. It was started, and there was no one stopping Jungkook and no one to save Wine. Jungkook thought it will affect Alex, but he didn't knew that Wine's step family already knew that she will be his target. Opening her eyes slowly, her whole body was numb, her mind was spinning. She cleared her vision and slowly tried to sit, but she whispered in pain. Her whole body was screaming in pain. Tears gathered in her eyes, remembering what had happened with her, how mercilessly he was destroying her. She tried to move slowly, but she stopped when she heard Jungkook trying to run. She looked outside and saw Jungkook sitting on the couch in the same messed up condition. She gulped and covered her body. Jungkook stood up from the couch and took slow steps towards her, making her scared. He avoided him, looking here and there, which was making him angry because he wanted her to see him, to see her destruction. Jungkook, look at me, he said angrily, but she shook her head and looked down, and in a second she screamed in pain when he held her hairs in a grip and jerked her face towards him. Jungkook, you are a slave here, so better learn to obey. One, please, leave me. I promise I won't tell anyone, please. Jungkook tightly held her hairs, making her scream again. Jungkook, you will tell all this to everyone, to your father and to your Alex, each and everything. But till then, I will make you that vulnerable that you will feel shame to tell them, just like my sister felt while telling me how badly your brother. Vine stopped moving when she heard him. She was shocked because she never thought that her stepbrother will do something like that. She didn't had good relationship with them and she knew that they were bad but never knew they can do something like that. Jungkook pushed her harshly on the bed and said, you will pay for their sin. They used my sister and I will use their an eye for an eye, but still I won't until I finish all of you with my hands. Saying that, he went inside the washroom, leaving her shocked. She was still shocked what she heard, but one thing was clear to her that Jungkook was blaming her and he decided to take revenge from her. She gulped and whispered to herself, I have to go from here before he comes out. Saying that, she nodded her head aggressively and slowly, tremblingly, she went towards the cupboard and took out one of Jungkook's shirt and wore it. For 15 minutes, Jungkook came outside the washroom, but to his surprise, Wine was not there. He looked at the room, but she was nowhere, making him angry. Her torn dress was still here, but he saw cupboard was open. He hurriedly dashed out of the room. Irvine was inside the living room, hiding behind the couch. She was scared and was in a lot of pain, but the only thing which mattered was to get away from here, and that's why she was bearing the pain. She looked here and there, but there was no one, so she hurriedly went towards the exit, but her steps stopped when someone shot just near her feet, making her shocked. She looked at the side, and there was one of Jungkook's friend Tai, who was already glaring at Vine. Vine gulped and took a step back. Tai, so smart of you to think that you can run away from the lion's den. One, please let me go. I didn't did anything. Ty came towards her. He saw the slap mark of wine, making him smile. Before he could say something, the door of Jungkook room got open and he came outside. Other friends also came outside with the noise of gunshot. Jungkook looked at Wine more specifically with a glare. He marched towards her, who was already trembling in fear. She knew she messed up and she can sense the danger which was coming along with Jungkook. She parted her lips to say something, but before that, Jungkook slapped her hard, making her fall on the ground. Everyone looked at Jungkook shocked, and Vine, who was on the ground, looked at him in terror. Jungkook leaned towards her and said angrily, You think you can escape from here this easily? No, you can't. I thought my lesson for you at night was enough, but looks like you deserve something more than that. Van shook her head in denial aggressively and tried to say something, but she was scared. Her mind was blank. She didn't know what was her fault in all this. Poor her was suffering just because she was the member of that family. Suddenly, Jumbo pulled her hairs and made her stood up and started taking her towards his room. She was in pain, but it was of no use. No one stopped him because they knew his anger which he was about to take out on her.